Hey guys, today we went down to our local Harbor Freight and we picked up this Central Pneumatic 21 degree framing nailer. It was $77.99 on the shelf, but I had 20% off coupon, which made it just shy of $63. It shoots full head nails, 2 3/8 inch to 3 1/4 inches long. I picked up these Fast and Strong framing nails that are 2 3/8 long. They come with 1,000 pieces. They were $19.99 on the shelf. Alright, let's open it up and see what it looks like. It weighs 9 pounds. The magazine capacity holds 60 nails. It has a 360 exhaust, so you can adjust it whichever way you need to, point it away from you. Alright, it also has the instruction manual and a set of Allens to adjust anything you need to adjust on it. Alright, you gotta oil daily or the warranty is voided. Get this out the way. Now we're going to cut open the nails, see what they look like. Alright, there they are. Try to load it up. It's got a lock back here to hold it back while you load it up. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is oil it so I don't void that warranty. You just take I have a little oil bottle that I got from some other air tools that didn't come with one. So I have just some air compressor oil. I'm just going to throw it in there. There we go. I'll hook it up and see what she does. Alright, well first we're going to see how far it shoots through the wood, just to get an idea. Just take it, you press it down, it goes into the wood just like that. And you can see it goes in about that far. So, wouldn't hurt probably to get a bit longer nails, but it'll work for what I need to do. So. Alright, it has single mode and it has bump fire mode, and bump fire is going to be whenever you hold the trigger in and it pops a nail every time you press it down. I never let off the trigger the whole time, so that is how that one works. Alright, so you notice how it's putting them all about flush. I'm going to try to figure out how to get it to shoot them a bit deeper. You're going to unhook your air supply, so that way it doesn't have any accidental fires. Point it away from you. Figure out the right Allen needed. You got to loosen it up. There we go. And then you slide it up and down. As soon as you get it loose enough. Well, there we go. Now it's adjusted. So let's give that a try, see if it shoots any deeper. Rehook up your air. And let's see what she does. See, now that adjusted the depth the wrong way. So, alright, so I've adjusted it to its deeper setting, and we're going to see how deep it shoots them. As you can see, it's about it's already set to pretty much its deepest amount, so there's not much left to do there. Overall, it's a great gun for the price. It gets the job done. The only thing I find with it is when you're getting low on air pressure, it doesn't like to drive the nails fully in, so you gotta kind of tap them in with a hammer.